is rounding. This is really important. I can't tell you how many times students get frustrated because they have the right answer, but they didn't round correctly. So take the time now to learn how to round. The rule we use is if the digit is 5 or higher, you round up, otherwise you round down. And then there's some trickier ones like 5.994. Basically, when they have nines and you're rounding to the nearest tenth, then since 9 is greater than or equal to 5, this 9 bumps up, but there's nowhere for it to go, so you end up bumping up the next one and it rounds to 6. So those are the hardest ones to do. All right, so here's your steps. You need to locate your given place value and mark it with an arrow. Underline the digit to the right of the given place. Is this digit greater than or equal to 5? Yes, add 1 in the given digit, the given place value, sorry. And then we already talked about the nines. And then if not, don't change the digit in the given place value and rewrite the number, removing all the digits to the right of the given place value. I know that sounds like a mouthful. And then up here is your place value chart. One thing that's kind of odd is that on the left side of the decimal place, you start with ones, but on the right side, you start with tenths. But the rest of it kind of follows similarly. Except you'll see here, these all have THS on them, whereas the ones on the left do not. So that's how you can distinguish whether you're on the right or the left of the decimal, is if it has that THS, so hundredths, thousandths, 10,000ths, 100,000ths, etc., millions. All right, here's some examples. We're going to round 18.379 to the nearest hundredth. So we're going to underline our place value and then put an arrow to the one next to it. Is 9 greater than or equal to 5? Yes. So we're going to write it as 18.38. The 7 gets bumped up to 8. 0.67 to the nearest tenth. Here's the tenths. Here's the next one to the right. That one also gets bumped up to 0.7. 5.7932 to the nearest tenth. So here's the tenth, here's the one after it. That gets bumped up to 5.8. And then I'm not sure what happened here, but if you guys want to fix these. Because there weren't any other examples. Oh, that's what happened. It continued from there. Okay. Not a big deal. It's just a pet peeve of mine that when they don't correctly do the lettering. 0.299 to the nearest hundredth. So here's hundredth. Here's the one after. Here's one of those 9 cases. So 9, there's nowhere to go up from 9. So you're going to end up bumping the 2 and make it 0.3. That one's like your hardest kind to do. Nearest whole number, here's a whole number. The one after it, this gets rounded up to 6. Another whole number, 4. But this one doesn't get rounded up. I think that was the only one that didn't go up, because 2 is not 5 or greater. So keep practicing that and you'll get great at rounding.